Welcome to TechSpeed YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you how to edit these dual tone light colors in Picsart. So let's get started. First of all, open the image that you want dual tone color and then select FX option and go to the B and W. If you are using black and white picture, this system is not necessary. Okay, after doing that, you have to go to the draw option and then select draw. Select this blur type brush and set size to 128 and opacity to 60. After that, select any color of your favor like this, then tap OK. After that, draw a line in the left side of the image. Then go to the layer option and select 3 dots button and select transform. After that, zoom in on this line until it gives this kind of half shadow to your image. Okay, expand again this layer option and select empty layer. Then go to the color option and select another color that's matched to your previous color. After that, draw a line in right side of your image. Again, go to the layer option and select transform and zoom in your line like this. After doing that, expand your layer bar and select the first layer and go to this layer settings, select overlay. Okay, then do the same to your second layer, then tap OK. Now you have successfully edited your dual tone color image editing. But I have little tip for you. You can give cinematic look to your image by doing this step. So go to the FX option and select Dodge filter and set the fade to 25. After doing that, expand this tool option and go to the adjust. In here, you have go to the contrast and adjust contrast to -100. If you want more brightness, you can adjust your brightness like this. Now you have successfully edited. If this tutorial helped you, please hit subscribe button and bell icon. Thanks for watching.
Change up.